Hello, and today on Red Shelf Reviews, we will be taking a look at Not a Gundam Kit for once. I know, but I promise I'll be going back to those real soon. Anyway, today we will be taking a look at the Doctor Who 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver set from the End of Time series. As you can see, you have David Tennant's face on one side and Matt Smith's on the other. The 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver is a slight variation on the 9th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver, essentially, and was used by the 10th Doctor throughout all his adventures, and by one as the Matt Smith Doctor. Anyway, let's take a look at the packaging. Have the Doctor Who logo up there. This is made by Character Options. Limited edition pack, yes. Choking hazard, small parts. With ultraviolet light and pen. Black ink pen, batteries included. Features, yada yada yada. Back. Small thing. Instructions. Anyway, let's take it out of the packaging and let's see how cool it actually is. Alright, having taken it out of its packaging, we're going to start by going over the toy itself. The overall toy is fairly large, as you can see. The toy itself looks quite nice with a blue emitter cap, silver with the 4 spars, and the central rod. The porcelain is cracked and does not feel cheap. The blue line is there with the 2 activation buttons. And the matte black on the end cap here is quite well done. The sole feature in this mode, other than the lights, is the ability to extend. And yeah, horrible seam line running right there. And that interior helix should be gold. It is almost a dark navy blue, which is slightly weird. Anyway, the toy collapses, and the features lights and sound, which I will show to you now. The first sound. Second sound, and the third sound, which is actually from a different series, and the last sound, which is also from the previous series of Doctor Who. The toy gimmick, of course, is the ability to take off that end cap, and it reveals a small ballpoint pen. And indeed, you can write with it. The other feature is, of course, this, which is, as it's labeled, the UV ink nib. Take it off, and we're just as able to write. And in order to show this one off, I'm going to have to turn out my 2 lights. To which it reveals with its UV light. The only problem is with the light on, this goes purple. In the show, it is blue. So that's a slight bit of annoyance there. Anyway, do I like this toy? Well, I love Doctor Who, to be honest. And it's one of my favorite sci-fi series, so yeah, if you can find it for a decent price, any one of its iterations is fine. That's before the re-releases. Except the last one. The English re-release had no ink nib, but still had the UV light. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.